Hi, I'm Terry from All About Imports. Here is your Tuesday tech tip of the day. When you hear that clunking noise in the front end of your car, this is one of the possibilities that it could be. Normally, on your front suspension, you have an upper control arm and you have a lower. Now, this is what you should not see. Now, when you hear that clunk, that is your main time to get into your local service and have them check it out and see exactly where the clunk is coming from. When that breaks, you will see a car sitting next to the road and the wheel is pointed inward and pointed outward. That is where you notice that that has broken and it left you stranded, and it damages the fender, the bumper, and you're in for a very large repair bill then. Now, the recommended repair for this car is to replace the upper control arm and then to have an alignment done on the car after.